Hey, I'm Adrian with Actuonics Motion Devices. Today we're going to talk about duty cycle, not to be confused with signal duty cycle, but system duty cycle or the duty cycle of a linear actuator. Duty cycle can have a huge impact on the lifespan of any electrical component, specifically linear actuators. Simply put, the higher the duty cycle, the lower the lifespan of a linear actuator. Duty cycle is one of the most important considerations when talking about the lifespan of an actuator. So what is duty cycle? Duty cycle is the percent on time versus the off time of the actuator. As an example, if an actuator is running out for 5 seconds and then runs in for 5 seconds and then waits for 10 seconds, that would be a 50% duty cycle. You may ask, why is duty cycle important? Basically, the longer the motor is on for, the higher the heat gain is going to be within the motor. During this heat gain, it's going to cause more wear and tear on the internal motor components. By minimizing the heat gain of the internal components, the actuator will last longer and have a longer lifespan. In some applications, you may require a higher duty cycle. What can be done to mitigate that requirement? One option is selecting a motor with a higher gear ratio. So this will allow the unit to run at a lower operating current so the heat gain is minimized. Another option is to use a different motor type, such as a stepper motor, as the stepper motor can run at 100% duty cycle as it doesn't have the same brushes a DC motor does. If it's not an option to select a different motor type or gear ratio, then maybe it's okay to accept lower life expectancy. We hope this video has helped you understand more about duty cycle and how it relates to cycle rate and life expectancy of an actuator. Thanks for watching, and we really hope this video has helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to sales@actuonics.com.